Guys, if you are going into 2026 and you feel like there's just no point, like there's no spark, there's no drive, there's no nothing, everyone else is just getting ready for their goals and getting ready to smash into it, and you just feel empty, then this video is for you. Basically, last night, to kind of celebrate New Year, we had a little campfire session here, campsites around there. We made our own bread, made little pizzas and cakes and that kind of stuff. With my immediate family, and we had an amazing time. I had one beer to celebrate. I'm not a massive drinker now, and it was an amazing evening. But this fire was dead, right? It was just absolutely dead. Okay, we left a few logs there just burning away, and it went out. And actually, it rained quite heavy last night, and it was done. It was absolutely done. And all I did this morning was I just stacked up some of these logs back into the centre there. And a couple of them, they had some like embers ended like burning, right? So they weren't completely dead. They've been protected a little bit from the rain. Stuck them all together, and now this fire has just kicked in. I've just looked out the kitchen window and I've seen the smoke coming from here. I mean, there's no smoke without fire, and this thing is going again, right? And it just made me think that today, those people that think they are done and dusted and they've got nothing left to fight for, you have, even if there's just a little spark, whatever it is. For me, in the times when I literally thought I was gonna take my own life, the one thing that kept me going was my two boys and my mum, and that was enough just to keep me going. My plan was to drive into oncoming traffic, right, and just end it there and there, and I limped to the side of the road, parked up, got myself, cried for about an hour, and got myself together and eventually got home, and that was it. And it was a defining moment for me in my life. So if there's anything inside you, just remember that just the smallest spark with a little bit of fuel and oxygen, okay, then you know there's absolutely a route out of wherever you're at. So this is a quick video just to share that, because I wanted to get one out on January the 1st. I've got lots more videos coming for this channel next year. I'm going to keep this fire going. So yeah, have a good one.